Today I'm going to show you how to access Lightning Autofill's options page. There are two ways to open it. The first way is through the extension icon. I have it here on the toolbar, but when you first install it, it's going to be inside this puzzle piece menu here. And by clicking the thumbtack icon, you can toggle it on the toolbar. So I always have the lightning bolt on the toolbar itself for easier access. Right click on the icon and select options to load the options page. So that's the first way. The second way is to right click anywhere on the web page's background, and you should see a Lightning Autofill context menu. Go into it and select options. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.